I thought I'd like to introduce you to the Schiehallion design, which I made a couple of years ago and is a bit special. So you can see construction wise, it's got a beautiful peplum and it really hugs the body around the waist. And it's a technique that I developed which I absolutely love. It's very painterly. It's a colour cable ferrule. So it's stranded and also cabled. And this creates an incredible textured fabric where when you cable, if you pop different colours in, they move as you cable and give the idea, the essence of a brush stroke, as in an oil painting. Something like that. It pulls it in and gives you a wonderful shape around the waist. The colours are the colours of Schiehallion, the mountain in Scotland, which is a sacred mountain and really special. It's the colours through the seasons. So you've got touches of snow, you've got touches of autumn, you've got touches of bell heather on the moorland sections as you're walking to the summit. And often from the distance, the peak of Schiehallion has got this beautiful creamy white look, which here you have around the neck. I wanted to make a gilet, and I'm wearing the arabesque today, which I absolutely love. And when I was knitting this, I thought, this is going to make the perfect gilet. So I put the same neck onto it as I have with the arabesque, and it's knitted integrally to the main knit, and then it twists in and is sewn down to give a really substantial, very nice back neck. Then what you'll notice, which is really interesting, is that I've moved away right here from the cabling and I've gone back to straight ferrule, slightly ruched, so that it's flatter at the top section and not as textured. It's an amazing design. It's wonderful to knit. I love this colourway, but there are so many possibilities. You can use up stash that you've got to knit this. You can change your colours as you go through it, develop your own palettes. But it's quite a sensational look, and you can wear it with a dress, you can wear it with a shirt, with jeans, you can dress it up, you can dress it down. But it's got this amazing structure, which I think you're going to love. So try the hat pattern first, which is on Ravelry and on the website, knitted in the round. This is knitted in pieces, but you could knit it in the round if you wanted. So give it a go, and I hope you enjoyed that. Bye.